Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Diaz classes. This is reading class, and today we're going to introduce a new topic about story structure. Every single story have different elements in English. For example, we have the conflict, the setting, the theme, the plot, and the characters. We can have main characters and secondary characters. The characters are the people. The character is a person, animal, being, creature, or theme in a story. Writers use characters to perform the action and speak dialogue, moving the story along a plot line. A story can have only one character, protagonist, and still be complete story. The second element is the setting. The setting is the time and place or when and where of the story. It's a literary element of literature used in novels, short stories, plays, film, etc., and usually introduced during the exposition beginning of the story. Along with the characters, the setting of a story can change throughout the plot. So in other words, the setting is the time and the place where the story occurs. What is the plot? The plot is the next element from the story. The plot is the literary element that describes the structure of the story. It shows a causal arrangement of events and action within a story. The plot is divided in three elements: what happened at the beginning of the story, what happened at the middle of the story, and what happened at the end of the story. The conflict is another element which is very important in the story. The conflict in the story is a struggle between opposing forces. Characters must act to confront those forces. In other words, conflict is the primary problem that the characters in a story face. So there are four types of conflicts. The first one is person versus person, person versus self, person versus society, and person versus nature. And finally, we still have more. The theme. The theme is another very important element. The theme is what the story is about. It's like the main idea of the topic sent. It is central message. It's what the author wants you to learn or know. It's a broad idea about life, usually non-stated, must be inferred. The theme of the story is what the author is trying to convey. In other words, the central idea of the story. We have the resolution. The resolution is the last element from the story, because it's about, here we can see how problems are solved, and it's an action that comes to an end. Basically, is the final part of the story you're reading. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. It was Mr. Diaz class. I hope to see you on next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.